Today I'm going to teach you how to style your WooCommerce checkout page in WordPress using CSS. This is a great way to customize the look and feel of your checkout process to match your brand or improve user experience without needing to be a coding expert. First, open your browser and navigate to wordpress.com. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll manage all aspects of your site, including plugins and customization. Once you're logged in, look at the left navigation menu and click on Plugins. This will expand to show you additional options. From these options, click on Add Plugin. This takes you to the plugin directory where you can browse and install tools that extend your site's functionality. On the Plugins page, you'll see a wide variety of plugins available for your WooCommerce account. Here's where things get interesting. Locate the search bar at the top and type in Simple Custom CSS. From the results that appear, look specifically for a plugin called Simple Custom CSS and JS. Before installing, click on More Details to view an overview of this plugin. Take a moment to understand its features and functions, as this will help you get the most out of it. Once you're ready, click on Install Now. Keep in mind that the installation might take a little while, so be patient as WordPress processes everything. Once the installation completes, you'll see an Activate button appear. Go ahead and click it to enable the plugin on your site. After your page refreshes, return to the left navigation panel. You should now see a new option labeled Custom CSS and JS. Click on it to expand the menu. From here, select Add Custom CSS. This will bring you to an editor page where you can start creating your custom styles. On the editor page, begin by adding a title for your CSS code. This helps you identify and organize your customizations later. Next, and this is important, click on the Edit button next to the permalink field. In this field, insert your checkout page URL. This ensures your CSS will specifically target that page. Now, in the Code Editor menu, enter your CSS code. This is where you'll define the visual changes you want to make to your checkout page, whether that's adjusting colors, fonts, spacing, or layout elements. On the right side menu, you'll notice several configuration options. Here you can set the linking type, specify where on the page your code should load, and determine where in your site it should apply. Take a moment to configure these options based on your specific needs. Once your code has been added and all your options are properly configured, click on Publish to make your changes live. And that's it. You've successfully styled your WooCommerce checkout page using custom CSS in WordPress. Your checkout page should now reflect the visual changes you've implemented. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.